lockdown problem in entire country. That's why I am trying to cover up your IT 402 syllabus for class 10th. Dear students, first of all let me discuss about the syllabus of class 10th. The first unit of your syllabus is functional English. Second unit is web application basic. Third is word processing, that means MS Word. Fourth unit is spreadsheet, that means MS Excel. Fifth unit is digital presentation, that means PowerPoint. Sixth is email messaging. Email messaging is a chapter in which we will cover about different email clients like Outlook and Thunderbird and etc. Now, seventh chapter is database development. In this chapter we have to cover up database applications in which we will create database and how to create and how to modify. And let's have a look on the classification of the marks for the chapters. First chapter 8, second chapter 8 marks, third chapter 8 marks, fourth chapter 8 marks, fifth chapter 6 marks, sixth chapter 4 marks, and seventh chapter 8 marks. That is total is 50 marks. And this is your distribution of the 50 practical marks. Practical 15 marks, written test that will be conducted after your finishing of the syllabus. And this is the blueprint of the sample paper questions. That means which subject will cover how much marks. Your functional English will cover 4 marks, web application 5, word processing 7 marks, spreadsheet 3 marks, digital 5 marks, email messaging 4 marks, database development 3 marks. Total questions there will be 31 and number of questions to be attempted is 23 and total 50 marks. Dear students, now I have decided to make a video on the chapter 3rd, that is word processing, because I have chosen this chapter because you can do the practical of these topics by your own if you have a computer or a laptop at your home. And you have already completed MS Word in your class 9th also, and we can now proceed from the topic where we have left in the class 9, and the chapter number 1 and 2, functional English and web application, that we will cover in the school when it will get opened, right? So let's have a look on the syllabus of the chapter number 3. Session 1. Session 1. The name of the session is modifying layout of a paragraph. Students, first you understand what is a paragraph. Paragraphs are used to break continuous text to one or more sentences. This enhances the readability of the content. Okay, so paragraph formatting is the most important factor in the overall appearance of a document. Just listen carefully. Paragraph formatting is the most important factor in the overall appearance of a document. So let me type one paragraph for you. This is the one paragraph. This is the paragraph 1. This is paragraph number 2. This is second paragraph, and this is third paragraph. Now what we have to perform the action on this paragraphs are, the first we have to set the alignment of the paragraph. Now here we can see this is the alignment section, and this can be found on the home tab and in the paragraph group. These are the types of alignment. The first is left align. This is the by default alignment, and second is center alignment, third is right alignment, and fourth is justify alignment. Now how to set? Select the paragraph and click on the left alignment. This is by default left align, and this is, if you'll click on this is center align. See the both corners of the paragraph. This is right align. This is all the lines comes in the sequence on the right side, and this is justified alignment. In this alignment, both corners left and right side both appears in the same sequence. In the same way we can align these all paragraphs also. Okay, you got it. I hope you understand. So there are 4 types of alignments: align left, align center align, align right align, and justify align. There can be one more method. If you'll click on this arrow, look at this carefully, this point, click on this, you will get a paragraph dialog box. Here you can set alignment left, center, right, and justify. Okay, and here in indentation, that we will discuss in the next topic, and this is the spacing that we will cover up in the next session. Okay, and that means this is another way. If you are not if somebody asks you to how you can set the paragraph or alignment of a paragraph in another way, you can explain about it. Okay students, now the next topic is indentation. First understand what is indentation. It is the process of increasing or decreasing the space between the left and right margin of the paragraph. Left and right margin. See, this is the margin area, this is the margin area, and this is the left margin, and this is the right margin. If we want to increase or decrease the space between the margin area and the line, is called indentation. Indentation can be of different types: left indent, right indent, first line indent, and hanging indent, but we have to see left and right. Now for look at this symbol. These are called indent. The top icon is called as first line indent, and this is hanging indent, and this is right indent. Okay, now next see, if this is the first line of the paragraph, if you want to increase the margin space, then what we will do, we will drag this line, and as we will drag this line will start shifting from left to right. Now if I drag this symbol, then let's see what happens. This whole paragraph is shifting from left to right. This is called hanging indent. Now this is first line indent. If we want to decrease the space, so we will drag this symbol. This is left indent. Now let's see, this is the right indent. If we will drag this symbol, this will increase the right margin space. This means this margin space has been increased. Okay, and similarly we can set it with the margin area also. Again, if you will drag this icon left, it will increase the margin space or decrease the margin space. Okay, similarly I am dragging this icon. Now see, this is again reset. So this was the indentation. You can note it down. Indentation, I am writing the definition, you can note down. It is the process of increasing or decreasing the space between the left and right margin of a paragraph. It can be left indent, it can be right indent, it can be first line indent, and it can be hanging indent. Okay. Okay, next topic is spacing. Spacing is very important for readability of a document. Listen again, spacing is very important for readability, very important for readability of a document. It can be spacing can be set for paragraph and it can be set for line spacing. Let's see first setting paragraph spacing. How to set paragraph spacing? First understand what is paragraph spacing. Suppose this is a paragraph and this paragraph begins from this point and ends at this point. Okay, so we can leave the space before the paragraph and we can leave the space after the paragraph. Clear? We can set the space before the paragraph and after the paragraph. How to set it? Click on this icon in the paragraph group. Here is a spacing option. Set by default this is 0. By default this is auto and auto. See, this is the initial default position. Now come to this point. Before, suppose I am setting 24 points and after I am setting 24 points. Now see, this is the white space, this is the space that is left before and after the paragraph spacing. So we can say paragraph spacing is the amount of space left before and after the paragraph. Now next is line spacing. Line spacing is the vertical distance, vertical distance between two lines in Now let's see, this is a paragraph and these are the lines. Now let's select the lines of paragraph. Now come to this icon in the paragraph group, click on it. By default it is 1. Just see the changes. Suppose I am selecting 1.5, the gap, then this space between the line is automatically increasing. So this is 2.5 point. The line between the space between the line has increased. Okay, this is called line spacing. This is the end of session 1. Now I am going to post some question and answer. Just try to. Dear students, now this is the end of the session, and I am posting few questions. Try to solve it, and don't forget to give me your remarks and suggestions. Now I will try to post the next session by tomorrow. Have a good day, and I hope you will enjoy this session and you will try to perform it and you will write your comments. Thank you. Have a good day.